How to fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience error HRESULT E_fail on Windows. To fix NVIDIA GeForce Experience error HRESULT E_fail on Windows, try 1. Run SFC scan as admin. 2. Run GeForce Experience in Windows clean boot state. 3. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall GeForce Experience. 4. Clean install NVIDIA graphics driver, remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, exiting 1 then reinstall the driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Perform system restore.